Ever feel overwhelmed by the old steps in Korean skincare? Toner, serum, ampoule, what is the difference? And which one do you actually need? Don't worry, your Korean Unnie is here to break it down for you nice and easy. Let's get started. First up, toner. Toner's job is to prep your skin after cleansing. It's super light and watery, almost like routine skincare. It helps to balance your skin's pH, remove any leftover residue, and make your skin ready to absorb all the good stuff you apply afterward. Think of toner as the setting the stage step. You use it right after cleansing. One of my favorites is the Pyunkang Yul Essence Toner. It's so hydrating and gentle, even for sensitive skin. Next, serum. Serums are your targeted treatments for specific skin concerns. They are still lightweight but a bit thicker than toners. Serums are packed with active ingredients like brightening agents, hydrating ingredients, anti-aging components, and acne fighters. You use serum after toner, and it's something you can apply daily depending on your skin's needs. For example, the beauty of Joseon Glow Serum is amazing. It's full of propolis and niacinamide to help brighten, calm, and deeply nourish your skin. And now, ampoules. Ampoules are like the supercharged version of serum. They are more concentrated and deliver an intensive boost of active ingredients. Usually you use an ampoule before your serum or even instead of serum when your skin really needs that extra help. Think of ampoules as a special treatment step for quick results. One of my go-to ampoules is the SKIN1004 Centella Ampoule. It's pure, calming, and perfect for soothing irritated or sensitive skin. So, quick recap. Toner hydrates and preps. Serum targets specific skin concerns. Ampoule gives an intensive boost when your skin needs extra love. Layer them in the right order and your skin will thank you. Want more Korean beauty tips and product pics? Follow me. Like this video and come visit us at unnie4u.co.uk. See you in the next one.